Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will teach you irritant poisons, non-metallic poisons. First of all, I remembered a few previous things. For example, I have learned to use metallic poisons and corrosive poisons and oxalic acid, carbolic acid poisons and general toxicology. One by one, I read you poisons, their mechanisms of actions, their sign symptoms, their medical legal importance, their autopsy finding. Today, my lecture is irritant poisons, non-metallic poisons, phosphorus. First of all, I will teach you mechanisms of phosphorus, then its uses and sign symptoms, and then treatment. I will already discussed inorganic poisons, classifications of poisons. I have read you arsenic poisons, lead poisons, mercury, copper, thallium, zinc, vegetable poisons. Next time, Dr. Hassan will teach you vegetable poisons, castor oil seeds, trogon oil, Abrus picatorius, colocanth, capsicum, martinet, animal poisons, snakes. I will teach you in next Wednesday. Snakes poisons, mechanical irritant, powdered glass. These are the classifications of metallic poisons. Now start phosphorus. First of all, physical properties having two forms, white as crystalline, turn yellow on exposures, highly poisonous, translucent, waxy. In matches, we use phosphorus, red phosphorus poisons. When exposed to air, have strong smell of garlic and luminous in the dark. This is the features of identify the poisons. I have already told you that when you remember signs symptoms, it will help you to diagnose the poisons. First of all, in first term, I have written that a patient complaint is burning pain in throat, nausea, vomiting, and dark green smoke color of urine. Then most of the students diagnosed as copper poisons, but this is not the actual poisons. The correct answer is carbolic acid poisons, phenol poisons. I have checked many written papers. First term written papers is not good as compared to previous tests. So keep in mind that take hard in future. When exposed to air, have strong smell of garlic and luminous in the dark. This is the identification of the poisons in exams. Garlic smells. Phosphorine gas, the fumes glow with pale yellow color used in lucifer matches. Red as amorphous, inert unless contaminated with yellow phosphorus, non-luminous amorphous, odorless, does not give fumes on exposures. Rubbing surface of matches pots contain red phosphorus. Red phosphorus poisons is used in matches. Matches जो हम घरों में use करते हैं. This is the pictures of the matches red phosphorus. Mechanisms of actions, it is a protoplasmic poison. Protoplasmic poisons means it combines with the proteins and causes the necrobiosis. Under anaerobic conditions, the metabolisms of the cells will diminished because of the lack of energy. Metabolized in liver, depositions in glycogen is inhibited while depositions of fat is increased. Phosphine gas causes respiratory inflammation. Sign symptoms, I have already told you the sign symptoms of metallic poisons is very important. For example, arsenic, mercury, lead, these are the poisons in which chronic sign symptoms is very important. In first terms, I have already asked you about chronic sign symptoms of mercury poison. Most of the students, few students have correct answers, others have wrong answers. So keep in mind that work hard. Sign symptoms due to local irritations, actions on the GIT within 2 to 6 hours, burning pain in the throat, esophagus, stomach, garlic taste. Remember one thing, it has garlic taste and smell, intense thirst, and other sign symptoms have combined sign symptoms like that of other poisons, arsenic, mercury, lead, copper, thallium, zinc. Jaundice, abdominal pains, secondary symptoms, abdominal pain, purpura. In early stage में hepatomegaly, liver enlarge हो जाएगा due to the fatty degenerations, and in late stages liver is shrunken due to the necrosis. Decreased urine output, hematuria, यानी blood in the urine, proteinuria, protein in the urine, frontal pain, headache हो जाएगा, insomnia, loss of sleep, impaired vision, cramps, paralysis, death from hepatic renal insufficiency, liver failure और hepatic failure से जो है death हो जाएगी. Fatal dose is important. We asked in OSPI many times that what is the fatal dose of phosphorus 120 milligrams and what is the antidote of the phosphorus. Antidote of phosphorus is copper sulfate. ट्रीटमेंट क्या है इसका? ऑयली एंड फैटी सब्सटेंसेस आर कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड है. स्टमक वॉश करना है. केमिकल एंटीडोट है 0.1% सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट. Copper sulfate is the antidote. What is the antidote of copper? Copper sulfate is the antidote of phosphorus. Liquid paraffin, IV fluids, and dextrose. Postmortem appearance. Postmortem appearance means autopsy features depends upon time since death. Death within first 24 hours may inflammations of mucous membrane of pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, swelling of liver and kidneys, strong smell of garlic, stomach contents may be luminous in the dark. Death within few days, external findings or internal findings. External finding may jaundice and hemorrhage because it affects the livers and kidneys, strong smell of garlic. Internal finding may fatty degenerations and hemorrhage, mucous membrane of GIT is yellowish or grayish white, soft and inflamed. The perforation is common. Subendocardial hemorrhage in the left ventricle, that is also important point. In a case of suspected phosphorus poisoning, solutions of common salt should be used as preservative instead of spirit. Phosphorus can be detected even in putrefied bodies. One of the poisons that is present in the putrefied body is arsenic. I have told you already. Chronic phosphorus poisoning like that of Mees lines, rhizisms, and others, mercurus lentis, lead poisoning, may puntate basophilia. Phosphorus has also chronic sign symptoms that is known as phosphia, in which osteomyelitis of the jaw bones, in which teeth are loose, teeth toothache, दांतों में दर्द होना शुरू हो जाती है, gums pain, and foul pus smell present in the mouth. These are known as the phosphia. We had, yeah, we have also asked you in OSPI what is phosphia. ठीक है. Chronic phosphorus poisoning, usually industrial, common in those persons working in manufactures of lucifer matches from yellow phosphorus, result from inhalations rather than injections. Phosphia, osteomyelitis of the jawbone with multiple sinuses discharging foul smell pus, toothache, swelling of the jaw, loosening of the teeth, necrosis of the gums. This is the pictures of the phosphia. Chronic poisoning, other association in chronic poisoning, spontaneous fractures, weakness, weight loss, anemia, pain in the joints, hepatic necrobiosis, jaundice, bronchitis, inflammations of the bronchioles, abortions. Treatment of the chronic poisons of the phosphorus, removal from the exposure, surgical excisions of the bones, uses rodenticides, insecticide, fertilizers, fireworks, wire weapons, shells, smoke screens. Medical legal aspects, suicidal poisons, accidental poison, homicidal poison is rare. One question that we asked you in exams, what is the manner of the death and what is the mode of the death? What is the manner of the death? Suicidal, accidental and homicidal, and what is the mode of the death? That we will ask you in exams. What is the mode of death? Mode of death is asphyxia, in asphyxia in strangulations, syncope in cardiac arrest, and third one is the hypovolemic shock that is present in central nervous systems trauma, yeah, head trauma. There is three modes: asphyxia, syncope, and hypovolemic shock. The second poison is iodine. Iodine physical properties: brown, soft, scaly crystals, unpleasant taste, violet-colored vapors at all temperatures, soluble in alcohol but rarely soluble in water. Sodium potassium iodide are soluble in water. Iodine tincture is used in circumcisions, and iodine is mostly used in the houses sodium chloride poisons. So it prevents the thyroidism, hyperthyroidism को ये prevent करता है. Mechanisms of actions and direct actions the cells by precipitating peroxine similar to corrosives. In corrosives, sulfuric acid, oxalic acid, carbolic acid, hydrochloric acid, and nitric acids that is important in exam point of view. Signs symptoms of iodine swallowed, irritant actions, inhalation, swallowed, vomiting, collapse, coma, brownish discolorations of lips, oral mucosa, pain in the mouth, unpleasant taste, intense thirst, irritant actions, severe abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, stool, dysuria, decreased urine output, dark brown in color, inhalations, glottis edema, asphyxia. Iodism, that is the chronic sign symptoms. Prolonged injections of iodine leads to iodism features headache, acute charisma, conjunctivitis, eye infections हो जाएगा, edema of the face, eyelids, collapse in severe conditions. Fatal dose of the iodine is 2 grams and fatal period is 24 grams. Treatment 1% starch or 5% sodium thiosulfate, demulcents, steroids, tracheostomy, uses एंटीसेप्टिक्स के तौर पे यूज कर सकते हैं फोटोग्राफी और इंडस्ट्री में. मेडिकल लीगल एस्पेक्ट सुसाइडल पर्पस में यूज होता है. विट्रियोलेज is a term that is used in the sulfuric acid poison, throwing of the sulfuric acid poisons on the face of the dust. Accidental poisoning, a postmortem appearance, corrosive effects on mucous membranes, lips and mucous membranes turned yellow, edema of the eyes, face, glottis edema, tubular necrosis. Bromide is another poison. Iodine bromides, white crystalline powder soluble in water. Mechanisms of action: displace telluride from plasma and cells, produce depressions of central nervous systems. This is the pictures of iodine, yeah, bromide. Signs and symptoms: nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, confusions, muscular incoordinations. Chronic signs symptoms that is known as bromisms, bromide, acne, headache, rashes, charisma, conjunctivitis, dyspepsia, constipations, deliriums. Fatal dose is 50 grams, fatal period 12 gram. Treatment: gastric lodge, antidote, sodium chloride, IV fluids, sedations. यूजी सेडेटिव के तौर पे यूज होता है नींद लाने के लिए या कफ प्रोडक्ट्स में यूज किया जाता है. पोस्टमार्टम अपीयरेंस में नो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक अपीयरेंस, Pneumonia, pulmonary edema have been found. Medical importance. Accidental poisons, 80 to 20 liter knockout agent. Thank you.